students, how are you all of you? Stay home, stay safe and listen online classes daily. About me, I am Nadini, working as Maths CRT in Atchampet KGBV district. Today I want to discuss about 8th class Maths linear equations in one variable. Second chapter, linear equations in one variable. This is one of the most important concept in algebra. In previous classes 6th and 7th, you already learned the concepts of this equation. Now I want to briefly recall the concept. Constant. What is a constant? A fixed and well-defined numbers are called constant. A fixed and well-defined numbers are called constants. Simply we said all numbers are called constants. Variable. What are variables? Letters that represent an unknown number are called variables. Simply letters. What are letters? A to Z letters. So all letters are called variables. Next, terms. What are terms? The combination of constants and variables are called terms. The combination of constants and variables are called terms with the sign into and division. So these are the terms. Combination of constant and variables with the sign into and division we call as terms, like 2x, 3y, 6, 7. These are all called terms. Expression. The combination of constants, variables and terms with the sign plus and minus we call as expression. The combination of constants and the variables and the terms with the sign plus and minus we call as expression. That is 2x plus 1 is an expression. 3z is an expression. Next, equation. What is an equation? The equality between two expressions. The equality between two expressions are called an equation. That is, equal sign is there in any two expressions, then it is called an equation. Example, 2x plus 3 equal to 5 is an equation. 6x equal to z is an equation. So equal symbol, if we see equal symbol, then it is called as equation. Next, LHS, RHS. LHS, RHS. This is your right hand side is RHS. Your left hand side is LHS. See one example, 2x minus 1 is equal to 6. In this, what is in your right hand? 6. So it is RHS. What is in your left hand? 2x minus 1. So it is LHS. See another example, 6z is equal to 3. In this, which one RHS? 3. 3 is RHS. Which is LHS? 6z is LHS. Now transposing symbols. minus. Minus transpose to that side we get plus. Into transpose to that side we get division. Divided by transpose to that side we get into. So these are transposing symbols. Plus transpose to minus, minus transpose to plus, into transpose to divided by transpose to into. Next, repeat this once again. Constant. A fixed well-defined numbers are called constants. So numbers 1 to 9 numbers we call as constants. Variables. A letter that represents unknown numbers are called variables. So all letters. What are the letters we have? A to Z letters. We call as variables. In maths, x and y, ln, pq, these are all called variables. Terms. The combination of constants and variables with the sign into and division, we get terms. That is 2x, 3x, 3, and these are all our terms. Expression. What is an expression? The combination of constants, variables, and terms with the sign plus and minus, we get expression. That, for example, 2x plus 3 is an expression. 3z is an expression. Equation. What is an equation? The equality symbol between two expressions we call as equation. The equality symbol between two expressions are called equation. Equal sign is there, then it is called equation. Suppose see this example. 2x minus 1 is equal to 6. Here we have equal symbol. So this called as equation. Next, LHS, RHS. In this example, what is LHS? 2x minus 1 and RHS is 6. See this example, 6z is equal to 3. Here RHS is 3, LHS is 6z. Transposing symbols. When we transpose to plus that side, we get minus. Minus transpose to that side, plus. Into transpose to that side, division. Division transpose to that side, we get into. Now we have to see the examples. In these examples, you have to find out what is a constant, what is a variable, what is terms, what is expression, what is an equation, and LHS and RHS. Take one example. 4x minus 3 is equal to 5. See carefully in this example, what are constants? We already know numbers are constants. Here what are numbers there? 5 and minus 3. So these two are constants. Variables. What are variables? Letters. Here how many letters are there? One letter only, that is x. So these called as variable. Next, terms. What are terms? Terms are 4x minus 3 and 5. These three are terms. Expression. So this 4x minus 3 is called as expression. What is expression? The combination of constants, variables with the sign minus and plus, we get an expression. So this is an expression. 4x minus 3 is expression. Now in these two expressions we have equal symbol. So it is called an equation. So equation. In this, what is RHS? 5. 5 is RHS, that is right hand side. Next, LHS, left hand side. What is left hand side? 4x minus 3. So these are constants, variables, terms, expression, and equation and LHS and RHS. See second example. See another one. Y equal to x plus 3. In this, what is constant? 3 is constant. Here, what are variables? Letters. What are letters here? X and y. So x, y are variables. Next, terms. Y is a term, x is a term, 3 is a term. So these three are terms. What is simple, then it is called an equation. So this total is called an equation. Y equal to x plus 3 is an equation. Next, in this, what is LHS? What is the left hand side? Y. Y is LHS. What is RHS? X plus 3. Now, in an equation, we have to find out these constants, variable terms and expressions. So, children, you have to take 10 examples of same type and do the homework in your homework notebooks. Okay, next, in one variable. Now, we already know equation, what is an equation and what is a variable. Now, you have to know linear equation. What is a linear equation? An equation which has its highest degree is 1, then this type of equations, then these equations are called linear equations. An equation which has its highest degree 1, then these equations are called linear equations. See one example. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Here, what is the degree of this equation? X power 1, y power 1. So, highest power of degree is 1. So, it is a linear equation. But here, how many variables are there? 2 variables, x and y. But what is our chapter name? Linear equations in one variable only. So, you have to take only one variable. So, see another example. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in one variable because the power of degree x is 1 and it is only one variable. So, it is a linear equation in one variable. Okay? Clearly understood? This is a linear equation in one variable. This is a linear equation in two variables. In this chapter, we take only linear equation in one variable. So, these equations are also said simple equations. So, simple equation means it has only one variable. These are also called simple equations. Simple equations means it has only one variable. Simple linear equation. In simple equations, no need to see the power of equation. So, if the power of degree is 1, the degree of this equation is 1, that is called a linear equation. If it has only one variable, then it is called a simple equation. Now, you have to see the general form of linear equation. General form of linear equation. General form of linear equation. Ax plus b is equal to 0 is the general form of linear equation where a, b are real, a not equal to 0. Here in a plus don't take 0 value. This is the general equation of a linear equation. General form of a linear equation. Ax plus b equal to 0. In this, you have to find the solution of an equation. So, what is a solution? Suppose you have to take one. See this example. X plus 7 is equal to 10. In this, which number you take in x place? 3x. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 equal to 10. This is. So, here x is equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. Now, you have to find the solution of this general form. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Now, take x term. Ax is equal to, here 0 is there. 0 plus 3 transpose to that side, you get minus b. 0 minus b. 0 minus b, how much? Minus b. Now, divided by minus b by a. So this is the solution of this general form. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Students, we already learned what is a linear equation and which is a simple equation. In your textbooks, in page number 35, you have do these problems, and in 36, you have do these problems. First of all, which of the following are linear equations? Here, some equations are there. So, in this, what is a linear equation? You have to find out. See first one, 4x plus 6 is equal to 8. Here, x power is 1. The power of degree is 1. So, it is a linear equation. Linear equation. See second equation. Is this linear equation? Yes, it is a linear equation because the highest degree of this equation is 1. So, it is a linear equation, but it is not a linear equation in one variable because it has two variables, x and y. So, it is a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Next, third one. 5x square plus 6xy minus 4y square is equal to 16. Here, the power of degree is 2. So, it is not a linear equation. It is a quadratic equation. It is not a linear equation. If the power is 2, we call it as quadratic equations. Now, see this next one, xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 11. Here, the power of x is 1 and the power of y is 1. It becomes square. So, it is not a linear equation. It is not a linear equation. Okay. Next, 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here, x power is 1, y power is 1. So, it is a linear equation. It is a linear equation. Linear equation in two variables. Okay, it is not a linear equation in one variable. See next one, 3 is equal to 2x plus y. It is a linear equation because x power 1 and y power 1. So, it is a linear equation. Okay, next thing. 7p plus 6q plus 13s is equal to 11. Here, p power 1 and the power of q is 1. The power of s is 1. So, the equation of degree 1, the power of degree is 1. So, it is a linear equation. It is a linear equation. Understood, children? So, 7p plus 6q plus 13s is equal to 11. This is a linear equation. So, here we have 4x plus 6 is 1 is a linear equation. It is not a linear equation in one variable. Next, 5x square plus 6xy minus 4y square. Complete these linear equations. Okay. Now, I go for do these problems in page number 36. In your textbooks, page number 36, we have do these problems. Which of the following are simple equations? In this, you have to find out simple equation. So, what is a simple equation? If there is one variable, then the equation is called simple equation. Mind out the powers. Okay? No need to take the powers. Just you have to see it is a single variable or not. If it is a single variable, it is simple equation. Okay? See first one. 3x plus y is equal to 14. Here, how many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x. So, it is a simple equation. It is a simple equation. Don't see the powers. Just you have to follow the variables only. Okay. Next equation. 3x minus 6 is equal to x plus 2. Here, how many variables? Only one variable, that is x only. So, it is a single variable. So, it is a simple equation. Simple equation. 3 equal to 2x plus y. equal to 2x plus y. Here, how many variables are there? Two variables. What are they? X and y. So it is a simple equation? No, it is not a simple equation because it has two variables. Not a simple equation. Next, x by 3 plus y is equal to 0. So here how many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x. So it is a simple equation. It is a simple equation. See next one. Here x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here how many variables? Only x is there. So x only is there. Forget their powers. Okay. So x only is there now. So it is a simple equation. Simple equation. Next one. 5m minus 6n is equal to 0. Here how many variables are there? M and n. Two variables. So it is not a simple equation. It is not a simple equation. Next, 7p plus 6q plus 13s is equal to 11. Here, how many variables are there? Three variables. P, q, s. So, it is not a simple equation. It is not a simple equation. Now, see next one. 13t plus 26 is equal to 39. It is a simple equation because one variable is there. So that is t is there. So it is a simple equation. Okay students, observe these following. Which are the following are simple equations. So only one variable is there. That is a simple equation. If you have one above variables, that is 2 or 3 variables, it is not a simple equation. Here x is there, only one variable, so it is a simple equation. Here in these two, x only is there, so it is a simple equation. In this equation, xy are there, so it is not a simple equation because two variables are there. Next thing, x by 3 plus 5 equal to 0. Here we have x only, so it is a simple equation. X square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. It has only one variable, that is x. So it is a simple equation. Next, 5m minus 6n is equal to 0. Here two variables are there, m and n. So it is not a simple equation. 7p plus 6q plus 13s is equal to 11. So here we have three variables, p, q, s. So it is not a simple equation. Next, 13t minus 26 is equal to 39. Here in this equation we have only one variable, that is t. So if one variable is there, then the equations are called simple equations. Okay students, we observe which equations are linear equations and which equations are simple equations. Now exercise 2.1. Before we go into this exercise, for finding a equation, there are so many methods are there. So first one, we have to see three methods for this chapter. So first one, trial and error method. Trial and error method. Second one, balancing method. Balancing method. Third one, transposing method. Transposing method. So, by these three methods, we have to find an equation solution. First one, trial and error method. In this method, we try one value. If we get wrong answer, then we go to second value. If there also wrong answer, we go to the next one. So this is trial and error method. Balancing method. You have to balance the equations. Next, transposing method. This is the transposition of signs. So here these two are applicable for some problems only. This transposing method is very easy and comfortable method for all these problems. See, in exercise problems, I explain some equations in these three methods. Okay. Now, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. So, take first problem. 6m is equal to 12. You have to find the solution of this equation. 6m is equal to 12 by using try and error method. So, you have to try one value, that is, if m equal to 1, then what we get? 6 of 1 is equal to 12. 6 1 are 6. Here is equal to 12. 6 is equal to 12 is correct? No, it is not a correct value. Next, we try another value, that is m is equal to 2. Now 6 of 2 equal to, in m place you have to write 2 is equal to 12. 6 2s are 12, that is equal to 12. So 12 equal to 12 is right answer. So now the solution of this equation is m equal to 2. Therefore m equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. Okay. Now equal to minus 42. Here we have minus sign. So we have to take the p values, minus values. Now in p place take p equal to minus 1. So 14 of minus 1 is equal to minus 42. Minus 14 ones are minus 14 is equal to minus 42. So it is not a correct answer. So minus 1 is not a solution of this equation. Now in p place you have to take minus 2. Therefore 14 of minus 2 is equal to minus 42. Here 14 2s are 28. Minus is there, so minus 42. So it is not a correct answer because minus 28 is not equal to minus 42. Again we try p equal to minus 3 value. 14 of minus 3 is equal to minus 42. In this, what is 14 into minus 3? Minus 42 is equal to minus 42. So it is correct. In which value? P equal to minus 3. Therefore, p is equal to minus 3 is the solution of this equation. Therefore, p equal to minus 3 is solution of this equation. Observe these two problems. We take one by one values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now, how many values we have take? So this is not applicable for all problems. No. Next, try balancing method. Next one, second method is balancing method. By taking an example, that is 7x minus 6 is equal to 15. Balancing method. So we have to take LHS and RHS both, you have to balance the same value. That is, you have to cancel this constant. So on LHS and RHS, you have to take same value, that is plus 6, add on both sides, plus 6, add on both sides. What we get? 7x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 15 plus 6. Now plus 6 and minus 6 are cancelled because that value is 0. So remaining 7x is equal to 15 plus 6 is 21. Now we have the value x value, therefore x is equal to 21. So 7 into x into, here the relation between 7 and x are in into. Into transpose to that side we get divided by 21 divided by 7. 7 ones and 7 threes are 21. Therefore x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. So this method is also applicable for only some problems. Here small numbers are there, then we have to do this problem. But this method is not applicable for every problem. Now we have to go for another method. This is very easiest method, transposing method. So now we have to discuss transposing method of remaining problems in exercise 2.1. The transposing method. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. So 11n is equal to, write down 1 here, plus when transpose to that side, we have minus 1. So 11n is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, n is equal to 0. So 11 in here, 11 and n are in into relation. So the into transpose to that side, we get division by 11. Therefore, 0 by 11 is 0. Therefore, n equal to 0. n equal to 0 is the solution of this equation. Now, next problem. 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. In this, 4x is equal to 9 minus 5 by 3 transpose to that side. What we get? Plus 5 by 3. 4x is equal to, here LCM is 3 and 9 3s are 27 plus 5. 4x is equal to 32 by 3. 32 by 3. Therefore, now you have to take the value of x value. X is equal to 32 by 3. In this, multiplication is here in between 4 and x. Into transpose to that side, we have division. So, by 4. That equal to 32 by 12. 32 by 12. Which table you have to cancel? 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by 3. So, x is equal to 8 by 3 is the solution of this equation. 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. Next, go for the next problem. What is next problem? X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3, 1 by 2. You have to change this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So, here we get x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. You have to change this mixed fraction into proper fraction. That is 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 7 by 2. Now, x value you have to take. 7 by 2. This plus 4 by 3 transpose to that side. Minus 4 by 3 you have. X is equal to, the LCM is 6. Now 7 3s are 21 minus 8. Therefore, x is equal to, x is equal to 21 minus 8, 13 by 6. Therefore, x is equal to 13 by 6 is the solution of this equation. Now, see another problem. 8x is equal to 5 by 2 equal to 13. In this, 8x is equal to, write down 13 here, plus 5 by 2 transpose to that side. What we get? Minus 5 by 2. Now, 8x is equal to, LCM is 2. 13 2s are 26 minus 5. Therefore, 8x is equal to 26 minus 5 how much? 21 by 2. Now, we want only x value. Now, x is equal to 21 by 2. This is in the relation into. So, transposing that side we get multiply. 2 into 8, that is 21 by 16. Therefore, x is equal to 21 by 16 is the solution of this equation. This is the transposing method. So, these all 8 problems are transposing method. By this transposing method, you have to transpose plus minus into division like that. We get the solution of the equations. So, students, so this is our class, today's class. In this class, we learn about linear equations in one variable and the concepts, constants, variables, equations, and what is an equation and LHS, RHS, transposing symbols and simple form of the linear equation, and do these problems. In do this problem, what we discuss, what is a linear equation and what is a simple equation. In that, we know what is a linear equation and what is a simple equation. By doing exercise 2.1 problems, by doing 3 methods, these 3 methods are trial and error method, balancing method and transposing method. By using trial and error method and balancing method, we don't do so many problems. We just applicable only some problems. So we choose transposing method for these problems. Now we have to do the homework. What is your homework today? You class, I gave you some homework. In starting introduction, I already told you take 10 equations. Take 10 equations in your own way. In your own way, and write constant, variables, terms, expressions, equations and LHS, RHS. Okay students, now today's homework is take 10 equations in your own way and write constants, variables, terms, expressions, equations and LHS and RHS. Next, second one, in exercise 2.2, exercise 2.1, remaining problems. By using 3 methods. By using 3 methods. So what are the 3 methods? Trial and error method, balancing method, transposing method. So here in exercise 2.1, how many problems are there? Each take the equation and do the methods one by one. First one trial and error, balancing and transposing method. Okay students, this is our class. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.